In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Brevo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're incorporating videos into your email campaigns to boost engagement or just exploring the capabilities of Brevo's platform, this guide will provide you with a clear and simple walkthrough. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. It's important to use a browser that you're comfortable with, as this will make the process smoother and more efficient. Once you're there, you'll find yourself at the home page. In the top right corner, there should be an option to log in. If you already have a Brevo account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Brevo, you'll need to create an account first. This shouldn't take long, just a few extra minutes to get set up before you continue with the rest of the steps. Once you're logged into Brevo, locate your email campaign. This is where you'll be embedding your video. If you haven't already set up your email campaign, take a moment to do that. It's the foundational step before adding any content, including your video. Within your campaign setup, you'll see the design interface where you can start customizing your email. Here comes the fun part. Look for the video content block in the design elements. Brevo's platform is quite intuitive, so this block should be prominently displayed in your options. Now, simply drag and drop this video content block into your email design. You can place it wherever you think it will be most effective for your audience, whether that's at the top, middle, or near the end of your email. Once you have it where you want it, hover over the video content block to highlight it. This typically signifies that it's ready for the next action. Click on it to bring up the video settings. In the settings, you'll see a field labeled Video URL. This is where you'll paste the link to your video. The video could be hosted on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or another video sharing service. Just ensure that the link is accessible and public if you want your audience to view it. Simply copy the URL from your video hosting platform and paste it into this field. Brevo does a great job of integrating with these services, so you should see a preview of your video pop up almost instantly within the email design. This helps in double-checking that the correct video is linked. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a video in your Brevo email campaign. As a quick tip, always send test emails to yourself to ensure everything appears as expected before sending it out to your entire contact list. Embedding videos is a fantastic way to enhance your email campaigns and engage your audience more dynamically. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.